So, andito tayo ngayon sa Jazz Residences in Makati to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit, around 26 square meters. So, andito yung bathroom niya pagpasok nyo. And then, kitchen. So, para siyang studio or one bedroom. Meron siyang partition. Balcony area niya facing the amenities or the swimming pool, and may view din siya ng Makati skyline and Bel Air Village. So this is around 4 million or 150,000 per square meter. Below market and zonal value na po yan for a condo within Makati Bel Air area na malapit sa Hilpuyat and Ayala Avenue. So very prime location, and mataas din po ang rental rates dito, whether long term or short term. Airbnb, marami pong nagrerenta dito. And of course, ang talagang bentahin niya is yung balcony niya is facing amenities. So this is available in cash or at least 10 to 20% spot down payment, and then 80 to 90% balance through in-house and bank financing, exclusive of taxes and fees. So if you are interested to schedule a property showing and make an offer, please message us directly. This is as is where is. Upon turnover and submission of offer is first come first serve basis. Ay, maganda lang sa SMDC talaga. Generous sila sa swimming pool eh. Tsaka well maintained yung mga amenities nila, including yung mga elevators nila. Facilities, well maintained. Somehow you get what you pay for. And then dito yung gym nila is commercial grade na rin. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-enroll pa sa Anytime Fitness. Ganyan naman swimming pool niya. Meron pa sa kabila niyan. Meron pa dun sa kabila. Diba?